What's up, YouTube? Man, I'm at this tire shop trying to get my tire plug, man. I'm finally getting around to doing that. After that, I'm gonna head to the barber shop. I'm gonna do some work. We're gonna get this video popping, man. So y'all rock with me today, man. Wop, 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 wop.
Man, I already know I'm gonna be up here for about at least 40 minutes, man. Every time they take forever, bro. I swear they take forever, man. It's my fault though, man. I should have been up here at 9 o'clock. It's like 10 something now, man. I'm just getting here. Crazy. It's cool though. I got patience. It's a virtue.
Hey, I lied on that 40 minutes, man. I'm jacked up right now. My car in the air right now. We here. About to get plugged up real fast. Yeah, look at shortly. I'm out though. I see y'all in a minute. It's a beautiful day outside, y'all, man. I'm just chilling. It's slow. It's almost like the end of the month, so it's considered the end of the month. Got Halloween coming up, so people try to get their kids, you know, Halloween shit. I'ma prank the stuffing out of somebody on Halloween. Watch. I'll make a Halloween video so raw. But we ain't doing nothing today, man. Try to get some content put up here for y'all. If I can. If I can't, we ain't gonna force no bad content. I ain't trying to put out no bullshit. Everything I'm trying to do, everything I'm trying to put out, I'm trying to be, you know, more cinematic with these videos. I know you noticed the content. I'm trying to be more cinematic. I want to come at this vlogging thing as more of a filmmaker. Even though I don't know how to make films or nothing, but I like the way films look with soundtracks and all that. Cause I see a lot of vlogs that's just them talking all day. That's cool, but I like to get I like have a soundtrack. I like you know, B-roll. I'm interested in all that kind of stuff. So I'm just trying to take a different approach, man. I see a lot of barbers, they show their haircuts all the time. That's cool. I like to show off a haircut or two, but you know, after that, a haircut is basically a haircut to me. I know a lot of people, you know, you want to see what does a barber do when he not cutting hair? What kind of life he living? You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? That intricacies of a barber, the ins and outs of this stuff, man. So we have a lot of downtime. That's a fact. When you see an Instagram barber, don't think some barbers do be busy all day, but it's just like YouTube got what's called an algorithm. The barbershop has an algorithm. We know our up times and we know when the down times are gonna hit. You just have to be prepared for it and stack your bread. Keep stacking. If you want to be a barber, don't think you finna come get this money. The money gonna come fast, and it's also easy to blow fast. But the next week or the next couple days, you don't know what's gonna happen. So you make 500 today, you gotta hold on to see what you're gonna do for the next few days to add to that 5 before you spend that 5 up. Just a little, you know, inside barbering tips for any aspiring barbers, you know what I'm saying? It's a cool profession. You get to be your own boss. Make your own hours. It's just like anything else, man. You stay dedicated to something, man, you bound to come up. You know what I'm saying? 10,000 hours of doing anything makes you a master. I'm a master. Woo! Man, so I had this truck for like 5 years now, going on 6, man, and I swear to God, man, I done had to get this tire, or different tires, either new tires or plugged. Like, out of these 5-6 years, no lie, at least 40 times. I don't know if I keep buying badass tires from the same spot, but it's so close to my crib, and they cheap, bro. They real reasonable. Like, first time you go there, they're gonna put a stick on your car after they work on you. And you come back and you still got that stick on your car, like, your shit gonna be hella cheap, cause you fuck with them. So I always keep that little Royce tire sticker on my car, man. They plug my tire for $2. My goof ass, they let my car sit for like a week just because I ain't feel like riding up there, cause usually, sometimes, I ain't gonna lie, that wait been long, and I ain't been having that kind of time in the morning to just sit there for no 45 minutes. But today I already knew what kind of day it was gonna be, so I went on up there and I got in and out real fast, man, for $2. Tip my boy Shorty $1, man. We all good, man. I'm back on the road, man. But this my baby, man. I love this car, bro. This truck has made me some money, straight up. And I got this truck for the lowest of the lows. The lowest of the lows, bro. I don't even like telling people because they want to know how they can get one this low. But I got this for the low. Had it for like 5 years. No problems, no major problems. Just brakes and tires. That's it. So with that being said, it's time to get a new one. This is a hoopty woo-hoop. Dang, you drink a lot of water, nigga. All these water bottles. Got one in the cut. Y'all done made it back home, man. It's the end of the day. I'm back at the house, man. I'm happy to be here too. It's starting to get crazy outside. Let's go and take this dog for a walk right quick. Hit him like an athlete. Hello. Damn, it's pitch black in my house. Hold up. Hello.